When sellers on eBay go and put things on for 99-cent auction with free postage, you come across a laptop battery, even though it's a reproduction. You don't argue. So, I won this for 99 cents with free postage, which would have cost him around $10. It's in a satchel. Coming from Sydney to Tasmania. Yeah. So, let's open it up and see what kind of batteries we get inside. This is 2000 mAh, 14.8 volts. I'm expecting to see 4 batteries in series. And there we go. Another 4 crappy little green Sony Energetics to add to my collection. One thing I did notice, origin from Japan, assembled in China for Acer Incorporated. Makes me wonder. Anyway, that's what we ended up with. 4 Sony Energetics. You're lucky if they pull 2000 mAh. Maybe being laptop ones, they might. As you can see, it's a reproduction battery that's 2000 mAh from a laptop that was 4x4000. As you can tell by the big empty case, essentially. Yeah. No, item to the collection. Thanks for watching.